Good evening, Nancy. It's currently Saturday, March the 21st, and it's 9:16 p.m. So 9 p.m. and 16 minutes. Keep someone busy with something. So that's all clear 2, page 103. So stay occupied with something to do. Housework, errands, to run errands is like go grocery shopping or to buy stuff outside. Seeing friends, taking music lessons, etc., etc. The past is kept. I keep myself busy. Myself can be yourself, himself, etc. With my work and my family. My work and my family keep me busy, and my work keeps me busy. She put on a movie to keep her daughter busy while she cleaned the house. She put a movie on to keep her busy. The babysitter kept the children busy with games and music. She kept them busy. What keeps you busy these days? Well, the family, that's for sure. Number one, work, classes, courses, homework, recordings, etc. Cleaning the house, make sure everything is fine, everyone is happy, even though it's difficult to please everyone here. So, and trying to stay safe, even though some people are not really understanding that that's a serious matter. Anyway, believe it or not, it's difficult to believe, but it's true. This expression is followed by a comma. Believe it or not, here, believe it or not, comma. We won the lottery. They met, so the past they met 2 weeks ago, and believe it or not, they just got married. What are the expressions? I don't believe it. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? Be kidding. Be joking. Not be serious. You're kidding. You must be kidding. I quit my job. Really? No, I'm kidding, but I'd really like to. I would really like to. I won the lottery. You're kidding. No, I'm not. I'm serious. She has 16 children. You must be kidding. No, I'm not. I'm serious. He speaks 12 languages. You're kidding. No, I'm not. I'm serious. I quit my job. You're kidding. You must be kidding. No, I'm not. I'm serious. It turned out that, and it turned out to be. After expecting something else surprising happened. Let's say, for instance, I thought I was going, going vacation this year, but it turned out that all trips are cancelled. Okay, so they expected twins, but it turned out that they had triples. He thought the trip would take only 2 hours, but it turned out that it took 4. We thought it was going to be expensive, but it turned out to be cheap. We thought the baby was going to be a boy, but it turned out to be a girl. I thought I saw an old friend, but it turned out not to be her. It was someone who looked like her. You can use different subjects and verbs tenses with turn out. She didn't do well in school, but she turned out to be a great doctor. Don't worry, everything will turn out okay. You always worry about your speeches, but they always turn out fine. When you ask a question with turn out, you are asking about the result or end of something. How did the movie turn out after I left? Did things turn out all right? So we can complete the sentences here. When I first came here, I expected to have a more secure life and more amazing life, but it turned out to be a tiny bit more disappointing. When I was young, I wanted to become a doctor, but I turned out to be a teacher. Okay. Sounds too good to be true. So we didn't do this one. We're gonna continue on Tuesday. Okay. I think they're like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably just 4 expressions left. Okay, we can also come back to it's not open yet, but iBooks, because that's a great way to actually I'm going to open it. It's a great way to check the cultural aspect of the country. Okay, and those are the French newspapers. I'm a bit tired. So, travailler malgré le virus is like to work despite the virus. Okay. So it's a great way to check what's going on right now. Our minister's secretaries are a bit weird looking sometimes. So the literature based on the virus, yeah, some people are starting writing about it. Economy, the risk of paralysis, that things are not moving. That's from today. So this guy who won a race last year, he's confined at home, cannot really practice, cannot do anything. Okay. After Le Figaro is very well known, despite the fact that the French are supposed to stay home, well, they are still coming out. They don't wear always a mask or gloves, so they don't care. Okay. So despite everything, we wish you a good weekend. Okay, so. Okay. People are getting bored. Yeah. Yeah. So that is Loch Ness. Okay. So anyway, this is the Parisien. Without them, France will stop. And this is very interesting because they're gonna show 3 pictures. Pictures of the trash guys, police, and the post office. So they still, they're still outside, making sure they can. Well, they have a salary, so they're not going to be left out. That's good. Some bakeries are still open. Okay, so anyway, so now they are putting all this stuff here. I don't know how you can pay. How you pay here? So you're better off having gloves. She's wearing a mask, but I don't think he's wearing one. And yeah, so this is an article about Air France is supposed to bring back some French to France, because some French may not like to stay where they are because it's becoming too dangerous, but Europe is the epicenter, so we have to be careful. And so Air France is overwhelmed with all the calls. So they have the same website I'm using, you see. And yeah, so they say yeah, I'm just sometimes I'm just wondering maybe I should just come back, and it can be a bit stressful if I come back. Okay, so they say the prices for the airplanes would be discounted, so very cheap, and that's something we can check actually. But anyway, I wanted to come back to this up. Okay, very, very tired. I still have 2 recordings to make before going to sleep, and that's where I can be relaxed tomorrow. I mean, I still work, but I have less stuff to do. So English the American way, as you saw, we're gonna have to prepare. I don't care about that. I want you to come back to the beginning. So if I want to come back to the beginning, there's something somewhere. It's not working. So we saw shopping, but I want to talk about well, we can talk about shopping because it's affecting the economy right now. So let me see if I can go back to the indexed. Okay, that's here. So index is somewhere here. Okay, let me just move it. So dining in style, not possible right now. You know, getting around, taking a drive. Home Sweet Home is about buying and selling a house. Okay, we saw this one, not completely, but get away from it all. Owe money. It's like the cash, get started with banking, shock till you drop. Emergency, 911. What's up, doc? We could at least, you know, I would say, you know, would be more interesting to do number 10 and unit 10 and unit 11. Okay, I'll put it here for next time. We're gonna do this one actually. Emergency 911, sorry, 911. Okay. So anyway, we can stop here. If you can read this one instead of the other chapter I told you, read this one, and that's when we can talk about some specific aspect of health. You take care, Nancy. Please be careful, stay safe, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your patience. And thank you for being a motivated student. Seriously. Thank you.